If you want to use Google Drive more easily on your Windows 11 PC, installing Drive for Desktop is the fastest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download, install, and set up Google Drive on Windows 11 step by step. This is perfect if you want quick access to your files, automatic syncing, and a simple way to keep everything backed up and organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Windows guides just like this. Now, let's get into it. First, open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you already have installed on your Windows 11 computer. Once the browser is open, go to the official Google Drive download page. To do that, type google.com/drive/download into the address bar and press enter. Make sure you are on the official Google website so you can download the correct and safe version of Drive for Desktop. When the page loads, look for the section labeled Drive for Desktop. This is the desktop version of Google Drive that lets you sync your files directly with your computer. Under that section, click the button that says Download Drive for Desktop. Your browser will then begin downloading the installer file to your computer. In most cases, the file will be called Google Drive Setup.exe. Now just wait a few moments while the file finishes downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a little longer or only a few seconds. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and find the installer file. You can usually open it by clicking the download at the bottom of your browser or by going directly to the Downloads folder in File Explorer. After you find the file, double-click it to start the installation. Windows may show a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. If that happens, click Yes to continue. This is a normal step during software installation on Windows 11. Next, the Google Drive installer window will appear. Here, simply click Install to begin the setup process. The installation may take a minute or two, so give it some time to finish. While it installs, Windows is setting up the Drive for Desktop app and preparing it to sync with your Google account. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an option to sign in. Click Sign in with Browser. This will open your browser again and take you to the Google login page. Now sign in using the Google account you want to connect to Google Drive. Make sure you use the correct account, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. After you log in, follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. Google may ask you to choose your sync preferences, folder locations, or whether you want to stream files or mirror them on your PC. You can review these options and select the ones that work best for you. If you're not sure, the default settings are usually fine for most users. Once setup is complete, Google Drive will appear on your Windows 11 computer, and you'll be able to access your files right from File Explorer. That means you can drag and drop files, open cloud documents, and keep everything synced without needing to go to the browser every time. It's a huge time saver if you use Drive regularly for work, school, or personal files. And that's it. Google Drive is now installed on Windows 11. You're ready to start syncing, backing up, and managing your files with ease. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on Windows 11, Google Apps, and everyday tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.